Simplify. Root 3 minus 1 over root 3, everything in bracket raised to the power of 2. Now, solution. We have root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 raised to the power of 2. In this case, we can write this as what? Root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 into bracket root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3, because it's raised to the power of 2. Now we use the first term in the first binomial surd to multiply the second binomial surd. That's root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3. Minus, we use this, the second term, 1 divided by root 3, to multiply the whole of second binomial surd. Now, expanding brackets. Expanding bracket, what are we going to have? Root 3 times root 3 will give us 3. Now, this is the multiplier root 3. Multiply the first one, we have 3. This same root 3 will multiply 1 over root 3. Now, we are going to have root 3 times 1, the numerator, that will be root 3 over 3. Then minus, what do we have? The same thing. Minus 1 over 3 times root 3. What are we having? Minus root 3 over root 3. Then, the next thing, minus 1 over 3 times minus 1 over 3. We need to take note of something. Minus times minus plus, minus times minus first will give us plus. Now, minus 1 over root 3 times minus 1 over 3 now will now give us plus 1 over what? Numerator multiply numerator, denominator multiply denominator. 1 times 1 is 1, and root 3 times root 3 will give us 3. That's for the denominator. Now, the next thing for us to do is to have 3 minus, what are we having here? So this will give us root 3 divided by root 3 and 1, root 3 and 1. So this is 1. Then we also have here the same thing, root 3 and 1, root 3 and 1. So this is 1 also, plus 1 over 3. So in this case, what are we having from here? So we now have 3 minus 1, that is 2. Then 2 minus 1, we have what? 2 minus 1, we also have 1. So plus 1 over 3. And we can write this as 1 number 1 over 3. And converting this to an improper fraction will give us what? 1 times 3, that is 3, plus 1. We now have 4 over 3. But the final answer should be in mixed number, which is 1 over 1 over 3. That's the solution to the problem. Thank you.